Okay. Well, it's so important to carry out thinning operations so that the remaining stand and remaining trees can improve their quality, and we remove the small trees from the stands and we can use small trees for other product like pulpwood or energy, and so that the remaining quality will be high and we can get also some profit from the thinning operation. This is a condition when the stem must be thinned. And in this case, we can see that we have a main stem and a small stem that is competing with the biggest one. And it could be really good to remove this one and make space for this, and it could grow and be future in this forest. And we have also other small stems around, so we must search to remove them together and without damaging this one, so that the operation could be profitable and the damage will not affect the growing of this stem. Usually they drive in a strip road, and from the strip road they open the stands selectively, harvesting just the small stems and less to remain this biggest stem like this one. Here we have a strip road where the machine drives during thinning operation, and both harvester and forwarder drive in this road that usually are about 4 meters large in width, and the material that is harvested on both sides selectively in a thinning operation is placed close to the road, the strip road, and after carried to the landing. Other ways we can have an harvester that is combined machine that can harvest trees and at the same time transport the trees to the roadside. We have also other machine in use, like using just chainsaw for cutting and a winch for skidding operation. The main two products are pulpwood and energy wood. So use wood for pulp, but in this case we have some requirement by the market. Just the dimension of stems must be over 5 centimeters under bark, or we can get energy wood. And in this case we have no restriction on the stem dimension, and we can use all the material that we get from the operation. Different factors can affect the operational results, especially the three dimension, and so the dimension of stumps we are harvesting with. When the stumps are really small, so small trees which mean small profit from the operation, and this is related mainly to the machine productivity that will be lower when small trees are harvested. So we must increase machine productivity, and this is made by accumulating felling head that can cut many trees at a time in one crane cycle, so maximize the productivity of the machine. And other factors that affect productivity are extremely small sized trees that usually must be also left after the thinning operation. And the extremely small size undergrow trees can cause like an obstacle from the operation, and this must be left in some cases. Today, right technology can reduce impact of operation because we can be able to operate in a good way and just be selective in this operation, harvesting one tree and leaving another one without damaging the other one. But a lot must be made to increase profitability of this technology, and so designing harvesting heads that are good to harvest many trees at the time and improve the quality of the forest machine, like reducing soil compaction. Usually we have these strip roads going in the stand, but after 20 years, if you will come back in the stands, you will not see any influence by the machine. an important part of the finning operation is the operator staying on the machine, because the guy that drives the machine take care to select the stems to be harvested and how to harvest and how to drive in the stems. And most of the results is related to the machine driver and to the skill and training of forest operator today. Actually, it's coming to be profitable in especially young stands to fin for energy as alternative to fin for pulp, because usually where in past we were finning for pulpwood and extremely young stands, it was difficult to get profit, and it was just an operation to take care of the future of the stand, but actually we're close to be profitable. The survey I'm performing is based on collecting time elements with the field computer and measure the variables affecting the operation. And in this way I can calculate the machine productivity in different conditions and look which factors are influencing machine productivity, and so how to design future technology for this operation.